Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional business account on Twitter. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're in the app, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now in here, click on profile. Now in here, click on edit profile. Now in here, scroll down until you see switch to professional, click on it. Now in here, click on agree and continue. Now after that, add a little description about yourself. Now after you've written the description, click on next. Now in here, select a category in which you deal. I will go for, let's say, automotive, and after that click on next. Now in here, leave it at business, and after that click on next again. And after that you can customize your profile if you want to, but I will just skip it, so just click on skip for now. And after that, a business account would be created. So that is how you can create a business account on Twitter. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a business account on Twitter. So here I am at the Twitter homepage. Now once you're here too, click on profile at the left side. Now in here, click on edit profile. Now in here, simply scroll down to the very bottom until you see switch to professional. Click on it. Now in here, click on agree and continue. Now in here, select a category. I will go for, let's say, automotive. And after that, click on next. Now in here, leave it at business, and after that, click on next again. And that is it. So you have successfully created a Twitter business account. So that is how you can create a business account on Twitter.